Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. How you all doing today? Oh well, we're playing Risk of Rain Returns because I am slowly losing my mind to the void that is time, and I have no way to return it except Risk of Rain Return. So now, what character should I play today? I got the mercenary. Or I could do Whirlwind. Not Whirlwind. Yeah, let's play some mercenary for the fun of it. Yeah, I'm on Drew. Make fun of me if you wish. That was worth it. Hello there, friends. Okay. Hello. Oh, trial of the mountain. Don't mind if I do. Get myself more delicious, yummy items. Feed me your items. I gotta get money for that shit. Probably will open this. Monster Tooth, which is good for mercenary because he's an up close and personal kind of guy. Hello. Get lost. Okay, so I'm going this way to see if there's anything over here. Oh, why did I waste my money there? Impulse control is yes. Where are all the enemies? Gonna spawn, guys? Yoo-hoo. Might as well go up that long. Hang on, let me move my screen a bit. I gotta be able to see money counter. There we go. We're working with one screen. You only have 30 bucks. This kind of sucks. Now I have 60 bucks. Very nice. Let's open this chest. Folding gun. That's deep. Oh, that's oh, that sucks. Now we have enough money for another chest. No. Bad Lemurian. Very bad. I fall into the... Oh fuck, it's a magma one. Maybe I've returned to risking rain, or maybe I've just returned to risking your mama. Depends on who you ask. Depends on who you ask. Now I gotta go find the chest in the other area. I saw it, I just didn't have the money to get it. But yes, I have indeed returned to risking pain. Oh god, my poor legs! My legs! What's this? Activating the interactable grants barrier and gold. I mean, it's not too bad. First time getting that. I mean, new item. Very fun. Oh, a legendary repulsion armor. That's very good for mercenary, I believe. Let's get out of here since I got the chest from over here. Very nice. I hit the floor and in oh. Almost forgot about this. Yay, I got a jar of stones. My favorite. I say while absolutely hating jar of souls. Let's just ignore that for now. Nice. The thing's charged. Very nice, very nice. Now we're in damp caverns. Oh there. Two interactables, that's good. Thank you for loot. Maybe we'll actually unlock Chef this time. Is Chef even worth unlocking though? That's what I want to know. Is Chef worth a... And I hear people meme about him a lot, but... Oh, health shrine. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Got panic mines. I mean, that's not too bad. And we got Will-O-the-Wisp. I'd say we were very lucky about it. Very nice, very nice. There's the teleporter, might as well charge it now. Oh boy, it's the Ancient Wisp, my favorite. At least he has good boss. Nah, I just got a ukulele out of it. Okay, I'm sad. I'm going to cry. Ukulele isn't bad, don't get me wrong, but I wanted the boss item very much. I wanted the boss item. Prison shackles, that's decent. For mercenary. Now anything up here? Ow. Nothing over here. Okay. Got plenty of items. I'm not a fan of this one. I'm gotta work towards unlocking the other move. Teleport onwards, then! I was about to slice that guy up, they teleported me away. Oh, that son of a bitch, he got to live! But yeah, basically this is die framework. Only equipment. Anything up here I need? Nope. I was paralyzed for a moment there, and I don't know why. Rude. Absolutely rude. They paralyzed me without my consent. I'm going to cry now. Wow, I find the teleporter real quick, real fast, all the time now. Is this going to be a speed run of sorts? Oh, we got a legendary item of that, at least. Which basically is just faster equipment. Now I gotta go find loot. I found none for this. Oh. Saved my ass on that one. Teleporting just the right time. Leeching speed. Very good item to obtain right there. Got a lot of money to work with now, which is good. Now Bison, get out of the way. Except maybe some weirdos. I don't think I'm gonna even grant them a moment in my... Whoa. That's for you to not know, and me to eventually find out. Oh, soldier syringe, thank you. And another head stomper. I mean, I'm not complaining. Got 2 items from 2 uses of the shrine? I'm a lucky son of a bull. What is English? I forgot the word bitch. Going to cry. Nobody clip that. I'm ashamed of my forgetting the word bitch. Oh, Paul's goat hook. Let's go teleport ourselves out of here. Maybe I'll find some more chests along the way if I'm uber lucky. Maybe I'll open a few of these. I mean, maybe I'll find something better. That's deep. Just goes a while though for a second. And I'll open the other one because lose my life. That's just a heat. Ugh, I don't want the fruit. I already am a fruit. Now let's see. We're in the hive cluster. Alright. Hello there, bubs. The bubs attack. I got so much out of that backup match. Sorry, I forgot how to English. Let's open that chest over there and get loot, looty loot, looty loot loot. Let's see, got sprouting egg. I hate this platforming section. It brings me hatred in my soul. Found the teleporter, very nice. Probably activate it there. Can't jump past that. So we'll just climb all the way up, grab whatever loot's up there, and then go down there. Up here worth taking. Doesn't really look like. Stop bouncing, you motherfuckers! Stop bouncing. Stop bouncing or I'll kill you again. I got no drones, so that's not worth doing. Let me try that again after checking the bottom over here. Just more loot. No loot. No problem. Oh, so I still didn't make it. This is really disappointing, actually. Oh god, it's the pigs! I hate these pigs with my entire soul. Like, I'm on easy mode, so it isn't too bad, but I still hate those pigs with my entire soul. They can go fuck themselves up a tree on a stick. And yes, I mean it. Pigs probably enjoy that anyway. And cops, even though they're practically the same. Ah, that's why then. At least we're getting lots of money out of it. There's almost no loot on this stage. I'm gonna cry. Got a chest, devil generation. Thank you. I say like a Victorian beggar. It makes me angry. It angers me. I'll just take a drone because... Well, that's a super healing kit. Okay. Not too bad. Might as well get the other one while I'm at it. Got lots of healing now, boys. Now on to the next stage. Temple of the Elders. Next to the temple's gonna be able to shake a stick at me and be like, respect your elders! And I'll be like, no, fuck you. Elders get my respect once they earn it. Anyone gets my respect once they earn it, but... Like, I treat people nicely at first, don't get me wrong, but if they earn the opposite of that, like if they're a dick, they'll get mine. That's just how life goes. Oh, cool, we'll just grab the drones now. Loot time. My loot. Oh, cool. Offer up your health to the machine. To the thing. You got 2 spike strips out of it. Very nice. I got lots of healing on my side, so. And now I'm in big danger. At least attacking conceals me. Ow. Maybe I'll find a legendary on this floor. I hope so. I don't find a legendary. And you don't want a crying Julius now, do you? It makes everyone's ears bleed. Nobody wants a crying Julius. Loot, more attack speed. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do take that more attack speed. Oh, I have to climb up there to get over. God, platforming in games makes me cry so much at a platform. Especially with such a small platform. I'm going to cry and you cannot stop me. Let's see, what do I want here? Nothing actually. It all sucks. Wow, 2 drone recyclers on the same stage. Look at that. So I assume the thing's over this way, which makes sense. Oh, another one of those statues. Alright, let's go. It gave me absolutely nothing. I'm going to cry now. I mean, I could. But I'm not. I'm not risking my run at this. A game called Risk of Rain, more like Risk Your Run. There's the teleporter. Okay. Let's see. Wait. Oh, fuck. Oh. Really, dude? You went down there for me. How could you do such a thing? And they both died. I got a Lensmaker's glasses. And what else did I get? Absolutely nothing, it looks like. Maybe it spawned up top. Now let's see if I can find any more loot by the time that thing comes. It'd be up here if there was. And it looks like there is something up there. Oh, there was also another one of those. I got a legendary. Permafrost. Chance to freeze enemies on hit. I ain't gonna complain about that. Permafrost. Got a legendary. There's lots of legendaries I don't remember from the other games. only I found some more goat food. Teleportation. Now we're at the risk of rain area. Very nice. Oh, this is the area where I found the drain guy. How am I supposed to get out? Oh, that's how. I'm stupid. Never mind. Just stupid. This is gonna be a rough level, I can just... Unlock the new character, find the robot janitor, very nice then. Gotta level up though. Let's open this chest, get that loot. Poo feather? Okay, I'll take it. There's a legendary chest up there, very... I'm gonna try to become as overpowered as possible before I can fight. What's her name again? Providence. That's her Englishing name. That's just a bunch of money in there. Well, with the hope of feather, I should be able to take it all. Oh, there's also a card over here. Got a card. Oops. God, like $4,000. A lot of money. Let's go find the other place and get more loot. Oh, it's a robot. Dead. We love dead things here. Oh boy. There's a key card over there. There's some platform to get to, but I don't care. I believe legendary chest. is. Glasses fell off because I was itching my ear. Oh. That was not pleasant. I did that one, so good. Go to the one above. Got an ATG missile. Very nice. Honestly, the boss in this game is much easier than the one in Risk of Rain 2. If I'm being completely honest. Mostly because they don't steal your items. Who am I to complain? Get up there and get loot. Got a snowflake. Very nice. Okay, nothing up here worth taking. There is a watering vagrant though, so we're gonna fuck it up. So there's only 2 key cards on this entire street. Oh, looks like I know where I'm gonna put them towards. Oh, I'm not through the entire area. Okay. Oh, I was. Okay. First, I'll go to Armory. Oh, first of all. Gun scope. Got lots of crit here. Storage just from Armory holds the item. Wait, storage holds items. Let's take both of them. And got a mortar tube, which is nice. Teleport that to the area back. That's alright. Got a bunch of mortar tubes, but the gun items are very nice, so that's worth taking. Good. Not welcoming. Oh, yeah, base. I think this is. Yeah, I see. War banner. Rockets. Funny enough, I haven't seen any of them until now. Now I got a third jump. And bustling fungus. Oh, good area. Got infusion? No. Now we should be fine to take on Providence. Oh, of course there's a legendary chest over there. Okay. What a treat to have at the end of our run. Oh, it's Brilliant Behemoth. Guess I can't complain too bad. Can't complain too bad about a brilliant behemoth. More damage is more damage. Hello, Wandering Vagrant. I'm here to fuck you up. And now it's time to fight Providence and a few wormies. A few squirmy wormies, if you will. Hello there. Need to fuck you up. A wordo. I actually might lose this if I don't do it too well. Or not. It got fucking obliterated. That's another phase done. Now there's just one more phase. Let me just repair you real quick, little dude. And I got a heal out of it too, because I got to wait. Very nice. Oh fuck, I can't hurt him like this. That wasn't good. Okay, Providence is dead. Let's get the hell out of here. First, I'll repair you, my buddy. And that's the run, peeps. Thank you for watching. I will see you all next time. Actually, let's see. And so he left, never to become human again. That's sad. That's sad.